So we are going to see dictionary within a dictionary. So how we are using a chained bracket, chain square bracket, chain. Huh? Okay. We are doing a dictionary within a dictionary. So what is a dictionary within a dictionary? So normally we will have a key value pair. Here value is being a dictionary. It's a specialty. Value is being a dictionary is a specialty. We are seeing. So now if you observe here France, what is that? Capital is Paris and population is some miles. So Germany. So now I want to print something. So let us see what is the exercise here. So we use chain square brackets to select and print out the capital of France. Print out the capital of France. So how will I do print? How will I print the capital? So how we are going to do this exercise? We'll see. So we want to print out the capital of France. What is the capital of France? We'll say by defaultly with mouth Paris. But from the dictionary I want to extract. So how will I do that? So Europe of France of capital. What is that? Europe of France of capital. So we know that this is a dictionary within a dictionary. So we say Europe. What I want? What I want? France capital. So now first of all we will say Europe of France. Normally we will say we will get the value. But what I want? Its capital. So now what I'll do? What should I do? Capital. Now I will get this. Clear? Right. So we'll see next question. What is that? Create a dictionary named capital and named data. Okay. So we should create a new dictionary named data. Keys will be capital and population. Okay. Then set to Rome. Then set to Rome and 59.83. Okay. And add a new value key value pair to Euro. So now I want to add one more dictionary of dictionary to the existing dictionary. Right? So for that, what is asking? To prepare a dictionary first. What is that? Data is equal to, what is saying? We want keys. What are the keys we allow? Capital colon, comma, population. What is saying? This should be Rome and population is some 59.38. Right? So this is the dictionary. So what I want this to be inserted into Europe. How will I insert? Europe of Italy. So Italy was not there before, right? So Italy is equal to data. Okay. So we have added data. So finally we'll print Italy came. Italy inserted at last. Italy came. Clear? Huh? Super. So now, what is that next we are going to see? What is the next we are going to see? That's the point. Same answer we have here. What is that? Tuple data. But what is tuple data type? About? What is tuple data type is about? tuple, how we'll represent?